Salut à tous, hello everyone, this is Quick French Grammar on Polyglot. Today let's learn which article you should put before a noun depending on the situation. So first, what's an article? It's a determiner, a short word that introduces a noun and gives information about its gender and number. The most common and basic is the article and is divided in two categories, definite and indefinite articles. Let's explain the difference. So the definite article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. It refers to something that has already been seen or identified. For masculine, it is le chien. For feminine, la classe. For plural, regardless of the gender, it is les fruits. Also, if the singular word masculine or feminine start with a vowel, you will use L apostrophe, l'animal, l'école. These are the different situations in which you'll use a definite article. When referring to a particular thing or person, c'est le frère de Sarah. When referring to a person or thing that has already been identified, for example, la voiture est garée. When making a generalization, les bananes sont sucrées. And after apposition verbs such as aimer, adorer, préférer, détester. J'aime les chats. Then the indefinite article is used before a noun when its identity is not known. Masculine is un chien, féminin is une école, plural is des fruits. And here the situation in which you'll use an indefinite article. When talking about an indeterminate thing or person, c'est un ami de Johan. And when something is mentioned for the first time, ils ont adopté un chat. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. À bientôt!